My name is Oliver Welch, and I believe I am the world's best dog owner. My dog Ponyo is a Siberian Poodle Pug Lab Wiener Rhino mix. I've owned him for about 32 hours, and I feel like the time I've spent with him, we've been inseparable. I take him on long walks.
Okay, we're done. Come, Ponyo. Ponyo.
We play outside together.
What you got now, you stupid dog?
I always know where he is. Ponyo!
Ponyo.
I feed him healthy food.
Lunch.
We love each other dearly.
Good boy. I love you.
Get out.
Yeah, we're pretty much inseparable. Hi. My name is Oliver Welch, and I believe I am the world's best dog owner. Now let's party.